Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make the default option when replying to emails in Gmail. The reply all option meaning that you don't have to select individual recipients of the email and you would rather prefer to just send it all recipients or original peoples that are included on the email chain. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Gmail, click on this setting gear icon and select see all settings. In here you just need to scroll down a little bit and you can able to see the option default replay behavior. You can select replay or replay all. Select by your preferences. I would select replay all. After selecting it, you just need to scroll down. Select save changes option to save it. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.